Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and in this video I will show you how you can create a Stripe account. Stripe is the best payment provider when you want to sell things online through Clickfunnels, through WooCommerce using WordPress, or to Shopify, maybe a different way. Stripe is the way to go. Let me tell you up front that Stripe is not supported in all countries. So let me show you a list with all the countries that are supported. Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Ireland, Japan, Luxembourg, Netherlands, the Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Singapore, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, United States, Italy, Portugal, okay, that was weird, and Friesland. So if your country is not on the list, there are workarounds, but this video is not talking about that. I'm from the Netherlands, and I will show you how I got my Stripe account activated, and I will also show you how you can use it with WooCommerce. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe for more upcoming WordPress, WooCommerce, affiliate marketing related videos, and then I would like to say, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go to Stripe, stripe.com, and it says the new standard in online payments. Well, it is. You can start now. So I click there and I can create a Stripe account over here. My email is info@ferdykorpershoek.nl. My full name is Ferdy Korpershoek. I create a password. I confirm my password and then I click on create account. And there I am. Well, thank you for watching this tutorial. No, we're going to talk about more things, of course. So now I need to configure a few things. Welcome Ferdy, follow these steps to get started. Find the right integration for your business, browse our docs. Okay, no, I will skip that. I need to verify my email. So I go to my Gmail account. There it is, Stripe. Verify email to start. I click on verify email address. I need to fill in my password. Continue. I'm not a robot. Okay, I want to activate my Stripe account, so I click over here. Before starting to process payments, tell us a few details about you and the products or services you're selling. Start now. I'm from the Netherlands. My business website is https://ferdykorpershoek.com. Business description. I sell digital products. Let's see. Other digital goods. Describe what you want to sell. I sell a course where I teach people how to make money online through affiliate marketing. What kind of business? Well, this is Dutch. It is a cooperation. The name of my company is Ferdy and Anna Media. So you need to fill in the details of your business over here. I scroll down. My legal name is Ferdinand Korpershoek. Do you own more than 25% of the business? Yes. What percentage do I own? 50. Job title, I am CEO. My birthday. This is optional, so I leave that. Again, address. My company name again, Ferdy and Anna Media. Support phone number. And then my bank details. How to make use of the two-step thing. Go to the text messages. I confirm my phone number. I fill in the code I receive on my phone. I want to copy this code somewhere on my phone. Okay, done that. Submit application. Right now it's being reviewed. Thanks for submitting. We're verifying your details, which should take just a few moments. This is where you can see how much you can or you have earned. So I got an email. Thank you for submitting. They will review everything. And they said to me, unfortunately, we were unable to verify some of your personal information. So I needed to fill in some more things. Proof of my identity. So I sent an image of my passport and proof of my home address. Well, what I needed to do, I used a bank statement with my complete name on it. So you need to get it. You need to get a file that shows your complete name. It can be from a bank, utility bill, bank statement, a letter from a government institution, as long as it has your complete name. So I found the document, I uploaded it, and then I got access. So since my account is active, I want to integrate it with my WooCommerce website so that people can pay through Stripe using their credit card or PayPal or something else. In order to do that, I go to Developers, API keys, and this is the token I will use. So I will go to the website over here, to my WooCommerce website. I will go to the backend. Then I go to plugins, add new. I have WooCommerce already installed, of course. And I need to search for Stripe WooCommerce. And then here, you'll see it. You can install it and then activate it. I have done it already. Now you need to go to WooCommerce settings. Then we go to payments. I scroll down and I see Stripe credit card. I click on it, or I turn it on over here. I click on manage. You'll see credit card behind it or a Stripe behind it. I removed it already. And now we can do two things. We can use the test mode or the live mode. I will use the test mode. So what I want to do now, I want to get the test publishable key, the test secret key, and the test webhook secret. How can you get them? Through Stripe. And what I want to do, I want to toggle to the test data. So I go to test data, and then you see here PK test. I use this as the publishable key. I paste it over here. Then review the secret key, copy and paste, and then the test webhook secret. Well, in that case, for that we need to go to webhooks over here, and I create an endpoint. I click over here, and then I need to have an endpoint URL. Well, you can get it over here by scrolling up and getting this URL. Copy it, paste it over here. You can add a description. I want to use the most recent version, 2020. And then events to send. I scroll down and I want to go for charge. I want to charge people when they buy things. 13 events, add endpoint. Awesome. Then I scroll down and I go for the signing secret. I click to review, copy it. Remember, all still in test mode. Also here, test mode. I paste it here. And now I can go to the statement descriptor. I can say it's from the website Ferdy Korpershoek. Charge the amount immediately. You can enable Google Pay or Apple Pay and stuff. And this is all perfect. Save the changes. Now there is a product I want to buy. So I go to this product, Skype session with Ferdy. I add it to the cart, and now we're going to test it. I click on view cart. Can we pay with Stripe, through Stripe, with our credit card to Stripe? So I fill in all my details over here. That's okay. Now over here, since it is a test mode, copy, I paste this, and I paste it. Then I click on place order. And it works. Thank you. Your order has been received. And now if I go to Stripe, I go to the homepage. I see that I have two sales. One was for the test, and the second one was another test in this tutorial. So it works. Awesome. If you want to know how to do this in Clickfunnels, then you can click over here. What you can do now, you can go back, turn off the test data, go to developers, API keys, grab this key, turn this off, paste it over here, grab this key, paste it over here, and then go to webhooks, click over here, and grab this key and paste it over here, and then everything will work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. You learned a ton of stuff. Feel free to give me a comment, give me feedback, give me a like, subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. I hope you have a great day and you will see me in the next video. We are going to watch my next video. Bye-bye.